Hey everyone, so let's dive into the ocean, figuratively because if I actually jumped in, I'd probably just lose my phone and my dignity. But seriously, ocean exploration is kind of like opening a mystery box, except instead of finding socks, you get glowing jellyfish, ancient shipwrecks, and some creatures that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. You know, we've mapped more of Mars than we have our own oceans. I mean, imagine if you only knew what your kitchen looked like but the rest of your house was a total mystery. That's basically us with the ocean. But thanks to new tech like super tough submersibles and underwater drones, we're finally taking a peek under the hood. And let me tell you, what we're finding is wild. There's a squid down there with arms longer than a school bus. There are vents that spew out water hotter than your shower. And somehow fish are just chilling there like it's no big deal. Scientists recently discovered a new species of snailfish so cute, but if you saw it up close, you'd probably think twice about petting it. All this exploring isn't just about bragging rights though. We're learning how ocean currents affect our climate, finding possible new medicines from sea creatures, and even discovering clues about how life started on Earth. Plus, every time someone drops a camera down there, we get a new candidate for world's most ridiculous-looking animal. So next time you're at the beach, just remember, you're basically standing at the edge of the biggest mystery on Earth. And who knows, the next big discovery could be just a splash away. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe bring a snorkel next time. See you later.